Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse here, and I want to apologize first of all because I realize I haven't been putting any content out. I started my charter business. I tend to be fully focused on something when I start something new like that, and that's what I have been doing. It has gone phenomenal. It's just going so great. I can't thank everybody enough for all their support and for giving me a chance and going out and fishing with me. And the results have been incredible each trip. I couldn't be any more thankful. I was out today with some friends. We kind of had a little bit of a slow start, but eventually we found a good sheephead bite, and I was able to get them their limit, and they had a blast. On the way back to the boat ramp, was just cruising along. I'm always watching, scanning the horizon. It was kind of calm out there in the bay today. I just happened to look over here, and see this kind of discoloration in the water. And I was like, I think I know what that is. So I beelined and kind of cruised over that way. And I grabbed the camera, threw it on. I couldn't resist it. And I got some footage for you. So here it is. Check it out. But y'all, we're out here in the bay. I was on a charter today, which I'm not really filming any of my charters. But on the way back in, we found something I've been wanting to find for a very long time, a massive schooler drum. I was driving by and I saw the discoloration in the water. And I'm like, you have got to be kidding me. We just hooked one. We're going to get a couple more. Dude, I cannot tell you how long I have looked for a school like this. I mean, I've always seen people running across them out here, but never in my life have I found one.
That's awesome. Well, it's a good thing you had your eyes open thinking about it.
Step right up there a little bit, buddy. Let me get a swim bait out of here. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Give it a little more bulk. All right, throw that out there. Oh, dude. Look at that. That's all it took.
Yes.
That's all it took. All right, I'm gonna motor towards him. Keep yourself braced.
Nice. As soon as that hit the water, he was on. Yeah, I thought I lost him at that first move. I guess he just came towards the boat.
Actually, they're all over here beside us now. It's crazy they stay up shallow like that. It's like, what are y'all doing out here? Why are y'all so shallow? Have you ever caught a bull drum?
Nope, never.
Oh my God. So today's first sheephead and first bull drum, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, now that's a freaking day right there. I know, I'll grab his net. I know he ain't ready for it yet, but he's still trying to stay with his boys. Motoring around out here, folks, just to save some time. This is a massive school we run across. They're freaking tanks.
All of a sudden, them sheep's head are easy, huh?
Man, I'm glad to share this with you guys.
Oh, this is awesome.
I mean, I'm just as stoked as you guys are. I have never ever come across a school like this before.
No, sir.
I've been out here for years. There he is. Oh, he's a tank too. All right, come on, brother. It's pitching time, then you get to go back, man. He's like, no, I'm not ready. There he is. Oh God, just didn't miss him. He turned his head right at the last. Jesus. All right, he's in. Help me grab the rim. Oh. All right.
Wow.
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
Man, awesome.
Nice.
It's 48 and a half, brother. All right, come on, you gotta pick him up. You gotta get a picture, man.
Where do you grab him?
Right under here. Grab him from the other, reach under. Yeah, there you go. And just lift that first. There you go. And we'll roll him right up like that. You got him. All right, awesome. You ready? Yeah, he's good. All right, that was a good catch and release right there. That was good.
That's awesome.
Oh, that was fishing like that. That was worth the whole day. Sheephead was cool, but bull drum is to me is.
That's real fishing. Jesse, I'm happy to catch another one, but do you want to turn?
I'm good, man. I've caught so many of these fish. This is about you guys.
All right.
This is about you guys. I want y'all to remember this. Yeah, it's fine. Hook's a little wonky, but it'll be all right. All right, there they are. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. Oh, you got it. Oh my God. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Look at that drag. Sing! What's that jumping over there? Had a raise?
I don't even know. It might be cobia too. There's a good chance cobia will hang out around under these schools.
Nope.
Holy crap! Dude's like, oh shit, something's got me. Oh my god. I was motoring right then, so that's probably why you made it. Real. Oh god. He took it. Oh, that's perfect. You're right in the freaking middle of them. Come on, hit it, Phyllis. Oh, he's after it. There you go. I saw him come after it. Heck yeah, y'all. Can you man the net this time? I'll just dry the boot. Awesome. He's like, nope, I'm going back with my friends. Good Lord. God, they're so strong. Look at them out there busting on stuff. What are they even doing over there?
Going over and around.
I'm trying to. I'll just keep going this way then. There he is. Oh yeah, he's another beefcake. To see this many of them, that's just incredible. Hang on,
Good
right.
move, backing up, Jesse. Save me some work.
All right, get him. Yeah, big.
Wow.
Oh man.
Oh.
Awesome. Freaking awesome. That's incredible. That's a big fish. And I'm gonna help you get him up. All right.
He's drumming, listen.
Yeah, I know. He's like, what the heck is happening?
Hear that drum?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, slide him in. All right, big dog. Get a hold of your tail. Wake on up. He's good.
He's good.
All right, where are they? Where did
I
they
think
go?
they went over there.
All right, hang on. Watch your balance, everybody. Hang on. Oh man.
Okay, okay.
All right, hit them. They're all out here in front of us.
See that one on surface? I wonder if that's from chasing the crab, like you said. Yeah, see, there's the crab.
Look, he's after it. Look, he's chasing.
Yep.
He's got it. Did he get it?
No.
Oh, that is so sick watching him chase it like that. Look. Oh, dude, he's busting on that crab big time. That poor crab. Oh, he got him. Nope, he didn't get
there.
there.
That one got it.
Oh, dude, that is so
Wow,
crazy.
Man.
Watching them feed like that.
Yeah.
Gosh, that is so crazy. Yep, there's a big cloud right here. Yeah, there's. I mean, they're all through there. There's a big cloud of them right. He's right in the middle of a bunch of them.
Yeah, there's 2 more clouds here. Come on, babies.
Pause it for a sec. Jig it. There you go.
There you go. All
There you go.
right.
Woo! On again. Second bull drum. Man, dude, you lucky. You lucky. You know how long it took me to catch one of these fish? I guess I should run the motor. Sorry, I'm just so excited watching it. I'm like, yeah, I caught up to him quick.
All that means is he's still green.
God, too bad we don't have more than one pole. I don't have to bring some more now.
Well, if you start planning on this happening, it won't happen, right?
Right. You're right about that. This is just one of those golden fishing moments that you just run across.
Happy 4th of July!
Oh, it is Independence Day.
Yes.
Heck yeah.
This is a good way to spend it. Oh, here he comes. There he is.
Oh yeah. Man, all these dudes are freaking citations. It's like a whole school of citations as drum.
Right. There's a cobia found.
I don't have anything for him. I don't have another rig. That is insane.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get him in the net too. That is crazy. The Kobe's like, what are you doing, man?
If he comes close, I'll try to net the cobia first.
Come on, Bob. Come on, get in that net. Look at the cobia. That is insane.
That's as good as I can do.
Oh man, that's killer. All right. We got it. Just grab it back here. Grab it. Oh, there we go. Oh man. Oh man, God, that's awesome. Come on, brother. Come on.
That's a fish of a lifetime.
Oh, dude. Oh, that is insane.
This one looks even bigger.
Hooked him good too, right in the corner of the mouth. All right, bro.
Hey,
I netted him, but I couldn't.
get him any farther in.
This one here, he is 48 incher. That's a freaking tank. Oh, dude. All right, brother, I got. Come on, you can't have my grippers. I need them. All right, wake up. You ready? He's like, let go of me. That is freaking awesome.
Wow.
That is freaking awesome.
That's a workout catch. I don't know how you do in a kayak. That's a lot.
Well, the advantage of the kayak is that when you hook into them,
You let 'em
just
drag you?
they just drag you around for a while and it wears them out. But they'll pull you along 2-3 miles an hour. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I was just as happy as the guys were catching the fish. I mean, I've wanted to see that for years, and I finally found a school like that. I've never actually seen it in person. So thanks for watching, and I promise I will be having more content coming out soon. I'm just trying to get some waivers and everything ready for my chartering so I can do filming on select trips, because I want to have waivers and stuff for that. So anyway, that's what's up. Peace out. See you in the next video.